Welcome to New Mexico State University's Knowledge Base Instructional Video Series. This series is brought to you by NMSU's ICT department. Throughout the year, this series will feature a number of helpful tutorials regarding NMSU-specific technological procedures, services, and software. If you have any additional questions that these videos do not address, please contact NMSU's ICT Help Desk at 575-646-1840 through email at help@nmsu.edu or in person at Hardman Jacobs Building, room 105. For this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to locate, download, install, and log into a secure FTP client in order to customize your web.nmsu.edu webpage. This is a Mac-specific application and is available for free from the Apple App Store. Forklift is a secure file transfer protocol, or FTP client, that creates a direct link to the university's network in order to transfer files onto your university-hosted web page. Note, if you are attempting the procedures described in this video, you will need to be connected to the Aggie-Air or Aggie-Air WPA2 network. If you're not able to connect to one of these networks, you will need to use the Cisco VPN application. A link to the Cisco VPN instructional video can be found in this video's description. Also, before proceeding through this tutorial, you will need to be connected to an SSH. For information on how to do this, refer to the links in the description. To begin this process, please launch the Apple App Store that can be found by default in your dock. Once the App Store has loaded, type Forklift into the search bar found at the top right corner of the window and press Enter. After the search results have loaded, select the first option titled Forklift File Manager. Once the application's page loads, click on the Get button found under the icon, then Install. Depending on your keychain settings, this will prompt you to enter your Apple ID and password. Please do so if necessary and continue. The Forklift application is now accessible from your Launchpad found in your dock. Navigate through your Launchpad for the Forklift icon and click on it to launch the program. After the Forklift window has opened, navigate to the top left of the window to the icon of two small computer screens and click. This will load a connection pane. Make sure that the protocol is set to SFTP before you continue. The next box titled Server should be filled with web.nmsu.edu. The last two boxes for username and password require your myNMSU information. Please enter this information and click the Connect button. If successful, this will load your public HTML file. You can find links to more videos and documentation to assist you through several of the processes that were mentioned in this tutorial. Thank you for your time and patience, and we hope that you found this video helpful.